What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nnyalleng Neo Mokebe and I'm back with another lit vlog. So this vlog, I don't know what's happening, but it's a vlog, so you'll just have to check it out and see what happens today. So y'all are gonna be going around with me today. So anyway guys, we have arrived at the area, so now we're sort of lost. So we're looking for a certain street that we have lost. It's Kristen and we basically did Error Road. So yeah, because when we arrived at the area I was like, this is a preschool, how am I going to be in a preschool? And those dogs, I'm like, guys, I would never stay in the area where there's dogs. I can't stay in a house or an area where there's dogs. I can't, not an area, a house where there's dogs.
Hallo Sia.
Hello.
Hoi, gaan dit?
I'm good, thanks.
Ja, dat gaat niet zo goed, lekker.
Hoe gaan dit?
Maar we proberen.
Proberen, dan gaan ons verder weer hierdie jaar.
Ja, dat is dat moet, nee.
Yes, yes.
Dat is. Mooi plek, man.
Dankie man.
Okay.
Dit is William. Hy is my regterhand. He's working 28 years for me.
8.
Yeah. That's how long he's working for me.
Ja.
Gata. Thank you, baby.
Was I here for 6 weeks?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to ask Paris to open for you because I'm just waiting for here at my side.
No, auntie. Yeah. But yeah, let me show you the shower.
This is the shower.
So guys, out of 10, we're giving them a 12. Honestly speaking, we're giving them a 12 guys. One thing that I love about this race, it's not a race, accommodation type of thing, they clean my room every single day. They do my washing once a week, and I only clean Saturday and Sunday. And then they provide transport to and from school. They also provide transport to go to the mall. Like, but I'm actually happy. I'm actually happy. It's very. In here there are 3 sharings, and you can see.